Hi, welcome to our channel and back to the tutorial for Java beginners, Java programming. Today we're going to see the interesting project called how to build a simple notepad application using Java. So before going to the notepad application, you know the screenshot. So it's a screen when you develop the you are going to develop the notepad here, simple application where you have file option, edit option, close. So for this one, we are going to do the program now. So simple and easy. So here we are going to create a text editor using the Java. First of all, you have to import the packages like Swing. So we are going to use the develop the application with the help of Swing only. This application definitely helpful to create a new file where the user can do anything like cut the text, copy the text, paste the text, and so on options like and close the app also. For this only we are importing the Swing concept. Then everything the supported files here we are importing here, and then we are going to create the text area. The class name is editor and extend the JFrame with the help of implement action listener and text component JTextArea T, because text area will help to type anything. The user can type the new thing, copy paste anything like that. Then we are going to call the constructor called editor where we create a frame with the help of JFrame. So this application or application where we can use the editor here, that is called JFrame. Then we are using the try manager here, try option catch, okay, for identifying in the style, identifying and in error side it will catch it with the help of catch expression here. Then we are going to get a menu bar. The menu bar we are create the name of JMenu for MP is called new menu bar, and create a menu for another menu called file, because these are things we are going to add in the notepad. Just now showing you file menu, then edit menu, at last we have close menu also. In file menu option of new, open, and so on, and cut, and the edit menu you have cut, copy, paste option. So we are writing the items. What are the items are going to give the file menu? New, open, save, print. Then action listener. So whenever user click the options, it will have to carry out the action listener. So we are writing mi1 for create a new file, and mi2 for create the open the new file, open the file whatever saved here, and save. Third option is very important. When for example I give the file called a.txt, the file will be saved. We can open the file at any time. What are the information in the file? It will display here. Then we are adding the additional buttons, and then create a menu for create a menu for another one, that is edit option. Similarly, same button in the edit option. What are the options we are going to add here? That is called a cut, copy, paste. So we are adding the JMenuItem mi4, mi5, mi6, and similarly we are going to add the action listener to execute the actions whenever the user click the options here, menu button. So erasing mi4 add action listener of this is like that and like this. Then we are going to another one called close, the simple one where the user can use the option whenever the user click the close, then the notepad will close automatically. So simple and program. Then I'm going to use some constructor and continuous here f dot set menu jmenu mp, then size. So I'm going to set the size, that is 5. Set size is 500,500, sorry, 500,500. Then f dot show here. So when I give like this one, this everything, it will show the notepad properly. Then whenever the press, if a button press it, then what happened? Action performed. We are continuing the JSwing with the help of JSwing with action listener and J button everything. So we are writing the concept. We are writing if S dot equals of cut, then T dot cut. Whenever else, if not there, another option it go for copy, else another option for paste, like that. And so on. Then create an object of J file chooser, that is J file chooser. J is called new file J chooser of, like that. F. Then invoke the save dialog button. So it's to save dialog, that is show dialog. So whenever click the dialog box will open. This can perform the operation like copy the paste, save, and so on and so on. What are the options they can do here? Then we are giving the options like if condition, then try catch. So this for create a file data. So let's assume that I have a file called h.txt where I can write something. So that is only we are calling this one. So we are writing file data where new file data of fi.false. Then create buffer writer to write. Then buffer writer w new buffer write, and so on. Then at last complete the writing file concept, that is with the help of w.close. Then catch option, anything there it will catch the error. Then if the user cancel the operation, what will happen? Definitely it go for the, it will give the print, that is the user cancel the operation. So for example, I'm type something and I'm coming out. Then what happened? The notepad is show the message called the user cancel the operation, like that. Then else if condition giving and catch option also giving, where show the get the message show here, and everything you are giving, then create an object for J file chooser. So here you invoke, again invoking the dialog box where you can use a select file. This is for that, for example, where I have, for example, here I have 3 types of file from the custom zoom like that, where suppose I'm clicking custom, double click and check, or else the dialog will show where is the file a.txt or b.txt. We can go and select the file and open it. Whenever the file open in notepad, it display the information. That is I'm giving. Then using the try file reader, then buffer reader, as you have idea about this JSwing and so on, JFrame. So at last that t.textx, then catch option, then again you show the user cancel option, what happened, then you use options, then main class. At last main, we are calling the main class where public start void main data is called new editor. So this is a simple program where we are using the JSwing, setSwing with the help of JTextArea. TextArea is a location for user can do anything, cut, copy, paste, write anything. Now let's go for execution. So for execution, we can use the anything called netpins anything. I'm just using this normal ID only. JDK. So I'm writing already compared Java C editor Java, then Java editor. So only 6 executor, you show the output like this. So this output I show the demonstration file new. Now I want to create new file. So I'm typing hi, welcome like that. Like that is there. So if I want, I can give save option, save. So when I give the save option, it show the dialog box. So I give the file net be like that and give save option. So successfully the file is saved. Now I want to open the file called A already created. So here file A is there. Just I'm clicking here and open it here. So it display the information whatever here like that. So now edit option. So I can select all and go to edit and cut. When I give cut, the information is cutted here. And again, when I give paste, the information again back here and copy. So for example, typing something like numbers and I give control A, and now I can use a option called the notepad copy. Again, I want to click it down and paste it here. So when I give paste option, the information will paste here. So you can do anything here. For example, I'm just to type like this. So new, when I want to create a new file and open the file, save option and print option also. So when I go print option, at present printer not connected. So I printer connected, go print option also. So you can perform the basic operation with the help of this one operations, with the help of this notepad program. So at last close means closed. So these are about how to successfully create a simple notepad application using Java. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.